Namaste. Welcome to the RSV group of channel. Today again we are here with the chapter number 4 of class 8 SST, basically history, and the name of the chapter is Tribals, Decus and the Vision of Golden Age. So with the name of this chapter we can easily understand what this chapter wants to tell you. Tribals means the people who are living in the forest. As we have read earlier and we have discussed earlier in the previous chapters that the Britishers, they came in India as a traders and they start conquering the India and they became the powerful rulers and they started annexing the territories. First they started the cities and the villages and coming to the forest area also. So tribals, the people who are living in the forest. Coming to the Decus. Deku means a word that tribals basically use for the people or for the outside people, or we can say they used to call the Britishers as the Decus. And the vision of golden age. Vision of golden age means they were having a sight how they used to live earlier when there was peace everywhere and when they used to live in a very normal way of the living. And this chapter will tell us about the tribals, how that British impacts on the life of the tribals and basically the Decus, okay, and the vision of golden age. So let's start with the chapter with the tribal groups. First I will explain you about the tribal groups. Let's start with the story. There was a person whose name was Birsa Munda. He was basically belongs from the Munda community, on the Munda tribal community in the Chota Nagpur district. Now he was a very famous tribal leader, and sometimes the people used to treat him as a god also, because he had a vision of the golden age and he used to collect the people of especially the tribal people against the Britishers. Now coming to tribal groups. Now tribal groups are the people who used to live in the forest region, and they used to live a very simple life. They used to live in the tribes and their customs are different, their tribal communities were different. Each tribal community is different from the other tribal community. Coming to the next topic, how did the tribal groups live? Now the next question which comes to your mind is obviously that if the tribal people, they used to live in the forest, how they used to live in that area. So first we will tell about some tribal communities. They were the Jhum cultivators. Jhum cultivators, or we can say the shifting cultivators. Shifting means to shift from one place to another. So for that they used to cut a particular part of the forest, and they used to burn the trees, and that ash will use as a potash to fertilize that particular area, which will use as a fertilizer for their crops. So they used to cut and burn that area, and after that, after some time, they started doing the cultivation over there. But the cultivation method of the Jhum cultivators were different from the normal cultivators. They used to scatter the seeds in the ground. Rather than the other cultivators, they used to sow in the particular manner, but they used to scatter the seeds on the ground, and when the crop was there, they used to cut the crops and move away to the next part, because forest was a huge area. So they used to move from one part to next part, and there they also used to cut again those trees, and they again burn it, and that is the burn and slash process, and they used to use that particular piece of land for the cultivation. So the land which was left behind by using the Jhum cultivation was known as the fallow. Now coming to so they were Jhum cultivators. The main problem for the Britishers regarding the Jhum cultivators, that they used to move from one place to another place. So once the Britishers were not able to take the revenues from these people, because they used to shift from one place to another place constantly. Now coming to the next step, some were the hunters and the gatherers. Hunters means the people or the tribal community which used to hunt the animals, because they were living in the forest. So the hunting was their main occupation. Now come to gatherers also. Gatherers means a person who used to collect the things from the forest, the things which we have already given by the nature. So these two things were being used by the tribal groups also as their occupation, and especially the people who were living. Now some tribal groups I am going to explain it to you, like Khons and the Baigas. Baigas of the central India. They were basically the tribal groups through which they actually believe in the hunting only, and even in the gathering also. They used to gather the flowers like the palash and the other flowers, and they used to take all these flowers and went to the market where they used to sell it and got the money. Okay, now the thing is that when the Britishers came to in the forest and they try to annex those tribal areas into them, so they came in the as the role of the money lenders also. So the money lenders used to give the loan or money to these people, because the tribal people, they are basically very innocent people. So just to increase their life standard, the British or the money lenders, they used to give the loan to the loan money to these tribal peoples, so that they can increase their way of the standard of their living. And once they started taking the loan, they were having a habit of taking the loan from the money lenders, and which led to the crisis in their lives. Now coming to the hunters and the gatherers. Hunters means they used to hunt the animals, and they used to they use their leathers and they use their skins for the leather business also. They used to they sold these leathers in the market, and for getting the money. So they use some particular fruits like the sal and the mawa. Mawa basically that a particular tree that is used for making the alcohol also. Basically these people, the tribal peoples, they were living a very normal and a very simple life, because their main work was either to do the jhum cultivation, or to either they are hunters, or they were the gatherers also, and they used to gather the things, and they used to go to the market and sell it in the market for getting the money. But suddenly with the span of time, when the Britishers, they came into their area and they show the new standard of life to them, they were being fascinated with that life, and for having that life, they started taking the money from that people, and money lenders were there because they want to give the money and they want to capture their life also. So this is the main thing, they want to do this. Some were the herders. Herders means the people who used to rear the animals, and the animals which basically found in the tribal or forest region. So we can take the examples of some of the tribes which were living in the different part of the India at that time, and they belong to the tribal community. For example, one Gujars in Punjab. Basically these peoples, their main occupation was nothing more than herding the animals or rearing the animals for different types of uses. Gaddis in Kullu. Kullu is a different area in the Himachal. So the people who were living in the Kullu, and they were having the same occupation, that means rearing the animals, that is Gaddis. They were known as Gaddis. Another was the Labadis in the Andhra Pradesh, because the main cultivation, main process, or the main occupation of all these tribal communities were same, but the area and the climate and the name are different. Coming to the next, Bakarwals in Kashmir. Especially the Bakarwals in the Kashmir, these are the people in the tribal area, from the tribal areas. They used to herd basically the bakri or the goat. That's why they were known as the Bakarwals. Now some of the tribal community, they used to took the settled cultivation also. As I told you earlier, that these people, they used to move from one place to another place, because their region, basically the forest region, was a huge place. So they moved from one place to another. Now some of the people, because the Britishers wanted to take the revenue from these people, so they started settling these people. They started trying to settle these people down. So what did they do? They started settling some of the people, and they gave the people the land to settle them down. So some of the people, they settled down, and that started with the settled cultivation. They had their land, and they started living a very normal life as a normal village persons used to live in the village area. So the main thing is, these are the tribal groups that they used to live in the tribal region. Thank you.